In this video, I'm going to show you why you must own the customer. And this is extremely important, even if you're doing affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you why, if you are an affiliate, why you need to understand like it is actually important that you own that customer. So let me share with you my screen. So we're going to make sure that we're actually on the same page. And what do I mean by owning the customer? Okay. Chances are that you see, or maybe you are doing the hit and miss affiliate marketing strategy. What I say basically is that you have traffic here. Okay. It doesn't matter. It is for Instagram. Is it for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook? It can be paid or it can be organic. And you're like, yeah, I'm going to send these guys directly to the product sales page. Okay. I really don't understand why people are actually doing this. So if they make a sale, yay. But if they don't, nah, they don't have a way in which they can do follow-ups, in which they can do retargeting. And also, if they make a sale, they don't have a way in which they can start promoting other products or services to this person because they don't know who they are. Okay. And this is something that a lot of people are doing. And then they're like, well, affiliate marketing is not really working. It's actually dead. I tried. I invest $100, 500, $1,000, and I didn't get my money back because you are doing it all wrong. You don't know exactly what you're doing because you don't understand that this is actually a business. And as an offline business, you need to have repeat customers. They're going to be purchasing over and over and over again. Like if you go to a restaurant, can you imagine a restaurant in which it all depends on, one-time customers? Man, that's going to be a lot of money that they're going to be investing. Okay. A lot of time. And no, that's not sustainable. Okay. So I don't know. I don't understand why people understand this concept offline, but when they're online, they totally forget it. So what you need to do is that you need to own the customer. Okay. You need to own the customer. And also we have the opportunity to capture the lead. So basically it's going to be the same. You're going to have a YouTube channel. Maybe the traffic is going to go for Facebook. This can be organic or this can be paid like Facebook ads, Instagram. Let's say that this is going to be TikTok, you name it, right? But now you are going to be creating a capture page in which you are going to be asking people for their name and email address. Okay. You can give them something for free. Okay. Like an ebook, a video, and access to a webinar. Okay. And then here you can actually send them to the product page. Okay. And again, the same process. If the person decide to go ahead and make the purchase right away, yay. But now, if they decide like, hey, I'm not going to make the purchase right away, it's not going to be a 9, okay? Because you're going to have the opportunity to do follow-ups, okay? These follow-ups are going to be via email, okay? These follow-ups are going to be via email. And this is something that guys is going to be uh, doing get done automatically. Okay. This is something that you don't, you have to configure it once and then it's going to be there for you. Okay. So that's actually really awesome because you can promote these products, but you can also promote other products. Okay. Or services, right? Let's say that here we have a service. So this is how actually your business is going to go. The other thing, if you decide to go with this business model, there is no way in which you are actually going to get a high ticket commission. And by high ticket commission, I mean that the product is going to make you a commission of $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even more, because there is no trust factor here. Remember that people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. And if they just saw your ad and click and you're like, hey, yeah, this is the best product ever. It's going to be 2,500. They're going to be like, no, 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 no. or it's going to be 5,000. They're going to be like, no, 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 that's not going to happen. Or maybe they are interested, but they're not ready to make the purchase. They want more information. They want something else, you know? So with this, you can build the famous no like and trust factor. Okay. You're going to build the famous no like and trust factor with this, because you can also send an email in which you're going to be telling them your story. Why do you think that product is really the best product for them? Okay. So that's actually the way in which you guys need to do this. A tool that you can use to create this, it's going to be System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually grab your free account. Another thing, if you want to learn more about this, also I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can learn more about this. And in System.io, it's free for you guys to create an account. You don't need to type your credit card information or anything like that. You're going to go to funnels, then you're going to click here where it says create, and then you are going to type here, let's say YouTube tutorial. Oops. Tutorial. And then we're going to click here where it says build an audience. Don't worry about the currency because we're not going to be taking payments. Okay, as an affiliate, we literally need 2 pages. One, and it's going to be, this is actually going to be more like this, which is going to be, let me change the color. Okay, this is going to be your capture page. Yeah, asking people via an email. Then it's going to be a bridge page. It can be a text or this can be a video in which you're going to be introducing the products here with a button with a call to action. And then people are going to access this other page, which you are not going to create, which is the product page. Okay, so here we have, let me click here. Okay, you're going to see that we have the squeeze page here. The squeeze page is basically the one that we're going to be using to capture the name email. Okay, you're going to see here. Let me show you a little bit more. Okay, so this basically how it's going to look like. I'm going to click here so you guys can preview. Okay, this can be something way simpler than this. In my case, I really don't like to have a lot of things because it's going to be super distracted. So I can delete this and a couple of things. Okay, but I'm showing you, so you're gonna have an idea of how everything's it's going on. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, if I have to work with this one, I will eliminate this. Okay, and I just keep it clean. In my case, I prefer to have things super simple. So chances are that I will just keep this. Okay, so something really cool about System.io is a drag and drop tool, so you don't need to overcomplicate things. Okay, and they do have different pages here. For the thank you page, okay, by the way, this is going to be the squeeze page. Okay, this is actually the squeeze page, and this is the thank you page. Okay, or the bridge page. So on here in the thank you page, you're going to see that they also have some pre-made pages here. Okay, there are some with videos. Okay, here some with text. As I told you, you don't need to record a video. If you ask me, like, Diana, do you suggest me to go with a video? Yeah, definitely. But you can just have a text like this. Rather like, thank you for your payment. Thanks for your submitting your information. If you're really serious about this, this is this, click this button and you can delete all the rest of the information. It has to be something really basic. Okay. Most of the time, the one that I use is one like this one. Okay. Just you see, super basic. That's it. Okay. Because we don't need to overcomplicate things. But this, again, is going to help you own the customer, earn the money that you deserve with your online business. Because remember that at the end of the day, this is a business. Okay. And you're going to have the opportunity to grow and scale. Okay. If you want to promote something else in the future, remember that you're going to have that person email. If that person did not make the purchase right away, you have the opportunity to follow up. If this person wants to, buy a high ticket product and you have it available, you're going to have the opportunity, since you're going to be building a relationship with them to give them more information, and you're going to have more opportunities to earn money online, okay, in the proper way. So again, there's going to be a link below so you can create your account with System.io. Also, there's going to be a link with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. So if you're serious about learning this, there's going to be a link below. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.